In this video, we're diving into 5 brutal truths about why you need to become the man she can't replace. Let's be honest, if she can leave you and find another version of you tomorrow, you were never him in the first place. Let's talk facts. Let's talk psychology. Let's talk about becoming the man she regrets ever doubting. 1. Self-worth is magnetic. When you walk like you know who you are, when you speak like you've got nothing to prove, when you can stand alone and still stand tall, that's self-worth. Women feel that. She'll test you, not to break you, but to see if you'll break yourself. If your identity crumbles just because she pulls back, you never had one. A man who knows his worth doesn't chase, he chooses. Most guys lose themselves trying to impress her, change their clothes, change their tone, change their entire damn personality just to be liked. But the second she sees you bend too far, she knows she can break you. You want to be the man she can't replace? Then be the man who won't trade authenticity for attention. 2. Confidence isn't loud, it's unshakable. Confidence isn't walking in the room yelling. It's walking in and not needing to say a word. It's eye contact that doesn't flinch. It's posture that says, I'm here and I'm not moving for anyone. You think women don't notice that? Bro, they feel that. And the ones worth keeping, they respect it. They crave it. Here's the harsh truth. If you keep looking for her to validate you, you've already lost. Why? Because you're placing your value in her hands, and no one respects a man who doesn't respect himself first. Confidence is built in isolation, in the grind, in the gym, in the silence. That's where you meet the version of you that nobody can replace. 3. Emotional control down power. Every man gets emotional, but a high-value man knows how to handle it. She pulls away, he doesn't panic, she tests him. He doesn't react, he responds, because emotions don't run him, purpose does. And that difference? That's the reason why she'll compare every man after you to you. Look, women don't want robots. They want men who feel, but don't fold. If she sees your entire world collapses every time she says something cold, she knows you're fragile. And fragile doesn't feel safe. Be the calm in the chaos. The man who doesn't get pulled by mood swings or pushed by fear. That's rare. And rare men, unforgettable. 4. Purpose over distraction. Let me ask you something. When she looks at your life, does she see direction or distraction? A man on a mission doesn't need to chase love. He builds something that attracts it, because his energy screams, I'm going somewhere with or without you. You want to be the man she can't replace. Get obsessed with your purpose. Make progress your love language. Build something so powerful that she feels honored just to be a part of it. If all you offer her is attention and time, you're replaceable. But if what you offer is vision, drive, and peace, you're rare. You're the blueprint. 5. Physique and presence matter. Stop believing that your body doesn't matter. It does. Not because of vanity, because of discipline. A strong body shows a strong mind. When you walk into a room looking like you respect yourself, people feel that. She feels that. It's primal, it's psychological, and if you don't take care of yourself, why would anyone else want to? Hit the gym, not for abs, for control. Wake up early, not for the grind posts, for clarity. Eat right, not for compliments, for energy. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up for yourself every day. And when you do that, you become the kind of man she brags about, because she knows there's only one of you. So here's the real truth, King. You don't need to beg. You don't need to prove. You just need to become the man who doesn't flinch, the man who doesn't chase, because he's already chosen himself, the man who wakes up every day and demands more, from life, from love, from himself. That man, he doesn't lose her. He leaves her speechless. Take action over your life today. Stop scrolling. Start building. hit that subscribe button. Join this movement of men who are done settling. You were never meant to be average. Now go become the man she'll never forget.